Hello and welcome to TNC Bricks, and today we'll be unboxing and doing a speed build on the Lego roller coaster set number 10261. This set comes with 11 minifigures and has 3,739 parts. You can see it's a very large box. Just use the scissors to open up the sides here. Inside the box are bags and two white boxes. Inside the white boxes we've got more bags of parts, the instructions and base plates. That's everything emptied out. First of all, we'll take a look at the instructions. And you can see the instructions and the stickers. The instructions actually come on 2 books. I'll just have to sort out all these bags here, let you know how many there is. Just one thing though, the links for the roller coaster come in 4 individual bags. Well, I'll just get these bags sorted out and let you know how many there is altogether. So there we go, there's actually over 40 bags here, all numbered from 1 to 11, plus bags of track and base plates. So let's get on with the speed build. I'll just empty out all the parts what make up bag 1. This speed build is going to be a bit different. It's going to be like a stop motion speed build. That's the bag empty. So let's get building. This first bag deals mainly with the base. There's a couple of builds I did off camera, such as the minifigures and the candy floss cart. This is my first time doing an animated build. The tree, and there's the candy floss cart. Now onto bag 2. And we start building the supports for the ride. Now bag 3. Now we're on to bag 5. This is the sign you see at the front of the coaster. Just finishing this side of bag 5. Just going to put these tracks on. Now we're doing the other side of the coaster now, again starting with the base. The 2x2 modified tile in green, with one stud in the centre. This set uses 163 of those. On this build we've got the ticket booth and photo booth, and also we've got the stall selling fresh juice. Here we see some of the mechanics, get the roller coaster working. Now we come to the final bag. Now we come up to building the 203 chain links. Everything built, let's see the coaster in action. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.